Welcome to MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. We are standing on a 2019 Grand Mariner 25-foot. This particular boat has a 350 Verado engine, a swim platform on the port side, a swim ladder on the starboard side. This boat has rear-facing seating with a flip-flop bolster, allows you to sit forward or sun rear. There's tons of storage with hinge seating, so nothing is loose and flapping around. It's also equipped with a black power top with interior lighting. Underneath our power top, up here on the helm, we have the SIMRAD navigation system, upgraded JL sound system, fully electronic dashboard, all of our switches for the power top and interior lighting, electronic shift and active trim. This boat also has a collapsible change house for privacy and what you need. That tucks away nice and neat, doesn't take any additional space. We have a built-in refrigerator that runs off the batteries on the boat. We have a wet spot drainable sink, and also expandable counter space when you don't need to pass through. We also have a ski locker, which is not very common on a lot of pontoon boats, being this is a tri-tube boat. It does go pretty deep back and forth. We have flip-up armrest. The bow is equipped with lots of storage. Every seat has storage underneath it for more than what you need.